tuning's parallel lines.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to your channel. A few days ago I was surfing on web and searching for a good racing simulator cockpit, but all of them are expensive and have some issues. By the way,
I just don't like it.
since I'm interested in building, welding and creating, I decided to design and build my own racing simulator cockpit. Before I used my desk for playing, but I want to upgrade my gear, so now I want to bring my ideas on plan and draw it. I have drawn several plans till now, but hope this one is the last and the best. A bunch of issues have been solved on this one. I want to use SOLIDWORKS for my drawing and try to give you some tips and learn how to draw on SOLIDWORKS together. I try to go as simple as possible to teach you how bring your ideas and creations on plan. We do it step by step together. I bought 3 sides of iron hollows, I'll show you later. I will make a video just about costs to build this. I will tell you all the money I spent and all the things I bought. Believe me, it will be so cheaper than buying from the market. Okay, let's start our drawing. I don't want to go very deep and detaily. We're just learning simple and easy. Every step I draw, I tell you every tip that you need to know. We draw every part separately in part, then we use assembly to bring them all together. Okay, choose part. I use metric unit for my drawing, so I choose mmgs. You can change it here to IPS if you want imperial units. Now select line. In most 3D design softwares, we have 3 planes: top, front, right. You can draw on them. First, I want to draw bottom of my plan, so I choose top plane. You can also choose your plane from here. There are 3 types of lines. Midpoint line that start drawing from midpoint, and it draws from both sides. Center line, as you can see, it's dash line. It's good for mark something or find center of the shape and many more. Now I want to draw with normal line. I forgot to tell you, changing my units to CGS is very important on this plan because I don't have very tiny parameters, so centimeters will help me a lot. Okay, normal line, top plane. Remember, always start your drawing from origin. Now you have one fixed point. This part is for my seat. Let's start. Up. First draw your plan, don't worry about dimensions. Then use a smart dimension to set the parameters. On this plan, 37. My iron hollows, I think 6 by 4. So I set this to 6. Okay. Another one. That lines will help you to draw equal length. Okay guys, when we see this yellow object under the line, it's showing us a horizontal line. It's telling us the line we are drawing is horizontal, and it's same on vertical line. The yellow thing telling us the line we are drawing is vertical. Okay, let's finish it. So we know this line and this line are equal because we use the helping lines to draw it, but we want to set this to 6 centimeters and we know this is 6 centimeters, so we have two ways. First, hold your control button on your keyboard, select this and this line. It's selected a point. This line and this line. Okay. Find the equal on this tab, click on it. So this line and this line now are equal, but we want to check it. So find the evaluate tab on this part, select measure. So this is very useful in SolidWorks. Select this line, 6 centimeters, right click, clear, and also click on this line. Yes, 6 centimeters. Okay, you can also do it by smart dimension like this. Now I want to set destination between this line and this line to 50 centimeters. So we do it by a smart dimension. Select this line, then select this line. It's showing us the destination between these two lines. Okay, 15, enter. Okay, moving this to here. Very well. Then draw a line here. Okay. Complete our rectangle. Okay. Also, I want to set this to 6 centimeters. Okay. And this one to 88 centimeters. Now I want to set this part in the center of these two lines. Again, we select now center line. It has many ways to draw this, but I think this is the easiest way. You have to select these tiny yellow points. It's showing us the center of this line. Keep your control button on your keyboard. Find the yellow point on this line. This is the center of this line. Select it. Now select vertical. It's okay now. Move this one to here. Okay. Draw two lines and complete our rectangle. Okay. Same on this side. Set it to 6 centimeters and set it to, okay, this one has to be 50 centimeters. Okay. Do it same on this rectangle, 50 centimeters. Okay guys, now the bottom of the body is completed. Our sketching is finished. Now we want to make our 2D shape to 3D. So select features, select extruded boss or base. Select all part of your sketch. I set my iron hollows are 6 by 4. We extrude it 4 centimeters. Okay guys, the first part of designing my Simracing gear is ending here. Hope you enjoyed the video. English is not my first language, so take it easy on me. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. You can also check my Simracing videos and also real racing with my built race car in my channel. Tell me in the comments if you want to see the next part of designing my Simracing gear. Have a nice time.